Ready?
What are we doing?
We're putting broccoli in garbage disposal.
Yay! It's not working.
Uh-oh.
Timeout. Nothing. Emily's gonna get mad at us. No. Try it now.
Okay.
This is not working as well as we planned.
We need to do it with like a banana or something.
I know, the cucumber was a lot better.
I know.
Maybe you should put a bushel down.
Oh my god!
It devoured that piece.
I think this might be too big for it though.
Put a bushel down. Wait. No, bushel.
Put the other?
Oh,
yeah.
bushel down. Oh. Help pull on it. Wait, don't turn that on yet.
I'm not going to.
Okay, go.
Okay.